God promised he would never flood the earth again. But what if humans are doing it to ourselves? In Genesis 9:11, God says, "Never again shall there be a flood to destroy the earth." He was talking about a global judgment, the kind that wiped out every living thing, Noah and the flood. He gave us the rainbow as a sign of that promise, but God never said that we wouldn't destroy ourselves. And in our pride, we're trying to do what only God can do in controlling the weather. Look around, y'all. There's massive floods that have happened in Dubai, China, Brazil, Kenya, Texas, New York, New Jersey, Oklahoma. We're seeing entire cities drown in places that have just never flooded before. It's not normal, and maybe that's because it's not natural. Have you heard of cloud seeding? It's not a theory, it is real science. Planes and drones inject chemicals like silver iodide into clouds to force rain. Companies like Rainmaker and government agencies admit that they're doing this. They say it's to fight droughts, but what happens when you overseed, or worse, when you use it as a weapon? We're doing the same thing humanity has always done, trying to become God. In Revelation 16, it speaks of plagues, earthquakes, and natural disasters poured out as judgment. In Matthew 24, Jesus says there will be famines, pestilences, and earthquakes in various places, and these are the beginning of sorrows. He said the end will come like the days of Noah when people were warned, but no one listened. So ask yourself, are these floods just nature doing its thing, or is mankind pushing the earth past its limits? God promised he wouldn't flood the earth again, but he never promised we wouldn't drown in the consequences of our own arrogance. The rainbow is a reminder of God's mercy, but the floods we're seeing now, they may be a warning of his patience wearing thin. We don't need to fear God's judgment. We need to fear our own rebellion.